Now we're going to make our way down to the lake. But we've got to put some bird feed out for these birds, and we'll have a quick shot of them having a lunch to eat. And then we'll go to our lake, and then we'll go to the ocean. I had to put two feeds out because there's quite a lot of different birds. Two here. You got another one in the tree there. You've also got the red and the red and blue ones there in the trees hiding, and you've got some more hiding, and you've got the magpie, of course, who wants to have his feed of these type of stuff too. But these two must be partners because look at the colour. One is got the bright red, the closest one's got more the brighter colours to it, so I think that might be the male. The other one's more mutted, or matted we'd call the colours. Matted, yeah. Oh. Oh, well, they quite flew away. Alright. We'll see if anybody... Oh, here we go. These two. Now these ones will feed with other birds, they're not aggressive like the other ones. See, that one there's over aggressive. Right. Damn. Something to look at. Yeah, look at these, chasing that one away from that bird's feed. Now, then of course they're not happy just with eating that bird's seed. They had to chase every other bird away from the other bird's seed. So it's just, he'll come down there, they'll come down to here. And that one there's not going to be content just eating that one, is he? Oh, he might be. There's enough food for everybody. Don't have to be greedy. See? He's left his home drinking deep. One little bird, hyper aggressive. The magpie's back now, and the other bird's feeder, so it's got to make it interesting. Oh, I've got a young magpie too. The two red ones are stuck in the tree over there. And so like, you know, magpie, they can't get that bird feeder because the magpie started to come back. Oh wow, little. This is really strange. So these two actually eat on the ground. The ones that had that bird feeded themselves decided to fly up and be aggressive with other birds. Magpie's still munching away into there. He's flown down. Now we've got the pigeon in action. Oh, that I might have to head off because the colourful one's over here. You can see on the branch. See, this one, they had the other bird feeder. They flew off to take the other ones up there when the other bird feeder was being occupied by a magpie. Strange. We've got some more action here. What else we got? Let's see if he'll go down to this bird feeder. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at the colour of that. Beautiful colour, isn't it? On that note, we'll head off. My name's Wilfred West from Lochport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now. Now they're going to come back to have some food. Like these two. Damn it. Oh. They're beautiful. We'll get our head off though. We've got other things to do. Could sit down and film them all day, but we can't. You all have a good day now.